This is a rest chair. Nobody sits on it. The only thing it does is collecting dust. What if I tell you, rest chair can be more fun and sustainable? Flutter-By is a chair where you are able to play tic-tac-toe with. From the side view, when two chairs are put together, they either form an O shape or an X shape. With sufficient space, the public are able to play games with each other. When two chairs are facing each other, it forms a butterfly shape. This design encourages people to face each other and have activities with each other. Places like hotel lobbies and mall resting areas, people are mostly resting and being on their phone. Flutter-By will be a better replacement for a chair at these areas. 400 million coffee stirrers are thrown away every year. Hence, the material I propose for the 3D printing filament is 100% recycled polystyrene from used coffee stirrers. Clear filament is manufactured by Imagine Plastic and sourced from Air New Zealand. This material used is lightweight and easy to carry around for a tic-tac-toe game.